I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to check your payment history with Telstra, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Before changing your settings, use the Telstra.com link in the description to open a password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to billing. Once logged in, find the billing section in the main menu. This is where you'll find all your payment details. Step 3. Select payment history. In the billing section, look for the payment history option. Click on it to view a detailed list of your past payments. Step 4. Filter your payments. You can filter your payment history by date or amount to find specific transactions. Use the filters provided on the screen. Just remember, if you don't see the filters, they might be hidden under a drop-down menu labeled Filter Options. Step 5. Download or print. If you need a copy of your payment history, look for the Download or Print button. This allows you to save or print your records easily. I hope this guide helps you easily access your payment history with Telstra. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.